What is ISO 27001? As the risks associated with cyber attacks and data breaches continue to increase, information security has become a critical issue for every business. An effective approach should help defend against both external attacks and common internal threats, such as accidental breaches and human error. ISO 27001 is the international standard that provides the specification for an information security management system, or ISMS. This is a systematic approach consisting of people, processes, and technology that helps you protect and manage all your organization's information through risk management. An ISMS, particularly one that conforms to ISO 27001, can help organizations comply with a host of laws, including the high-profile General Data Protection Regulation, commonly referred to as the GDPR, and the Network and Information Systems Regulations, also known as the NIS regulations. ISO 27001 focuses on protecting three key aspects of information: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means that the information is not available or disclosed to unauthorized people, entities, or processes. Integrity means that the information is complete and accurate and protected from corruption. Availability means that the information is accessible and usable as and when authorized users require it. ISO 27001 is one of the most popular information security standards in the world, with the number of certifications growing by more than 450% in the past 10 years. The standard has been designed to help organizations manage their security practices consistently and cost-effectively. It's technology and vendor neutral and is applicable to all organizations, irrespective of their size, type, or nature. ISO 27001 is the mainstay of the ISO 27000 series, a family of mutually supporting information security standards that together provide a globally recognized framework for best practice information security management. These standards help organizations keep their information assets secure by offering a set of specifications, codes of conduct, and best practice guidelines to ensure strong information security management. Note that ISO 27001 only provides the specification of an effective ISMS. ISO 27002, another standard in the ISO 27000 series, provides the code of conduct, the guidance and best practices that can be used to implement your ISMS. What are the benefits of ISO 27001? ISO 27001 will help you secure your information in all its forms. An ISMS helps protect all forms of information, whether digital, paper-based, or stored in the cloud. Increase your attack resilience. Implementing and maintaining an ISMS will significantly increase your organization's resilience to cyber attacks. Protect what matters. Whether the scope of your ISMS covers your whole organization or just the parts that deal with information, ISO 27001 protects against technology-based risks and other more common threats, such as poorly informed staff or ineffective procedures. Respond to the evolving security threat landscape. An ISMS constantly adapts to changes both in the threat environment and inside the organization, ensuring that information security risks are effectively managed over time. Reduce costs associated with information security. An ISMS looks to assess and treat risks cost-effectively, ensuring organizations can maximize their return on investment. Protect the confidentiality, availability, and integrity of your data. An ISMS offers a set of policies, procedures, and technical and physical controls to protect the confidentiality, availability, and integrity of your information. Make security part of business as usual. The standard's holistic approach covers the whole organization, not just the IT department, so employees can readily understand risks and embrace security controls as part of their everyday working practices. ISO 27001 controls. There are 114 controls in Annex A, covering the breadth of information security management, including areas such as physical access control, firewall policies, security staff awareness programs, procedures for monitoring threats, incident management processes, and encryption. The standard requires organizations to compare the measures they have implemented with the Annex A controls. They're then expected to implement the missing controls or else provide and document a reason that those controls aren't applicable to them. How to get ISO 27001 certified. Once an organization has met the various requirements stipulated by ISO 27001, the next step is to seek certification. Certification is the procedure by which an external certification body provides written assurance that an organization's ISMS conforms to the requirements of ISO 27001. Because certification to ISO 27001 is not mandatory, not all organizations choose to achieve it. However, there are many benefits to certification. As well as helping you protect your information and comply with relevant legislation, ISO 27001 certification holds a distinct market value by providing clear, externally validated proof of your organization's willingness to meet internationally accepted information security standards. The process involves going through a certification audit, in which an expert from a certification body will visit your organization to examine your ISMS. If they're satisfied with what they see, they will award a certificate. For more information about ISO 27001, visit our website.